Yan ang muling pinatunayan ng tatlong senior high school students na nanalo sa katatapos lamang na Young Founders Summit 2020 na ginanap sa Singapore. Ibinida nila ang kanilang project na kung tawagin ay Hyper Shelter na maaaring gamitin lalo na tuwing may bagyo. Alam naman natin na madalas tumama sa bansa ang mga bagyo at kalamidad.
Ang mga estudyanteng nagwagi ay sina Cyril Supremo, 17 years old, ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines Main Campus, James Bermudo, 16 years old, ang mabata, old ng Claret School of Quezon City, at si Aldrich Alvarez, 17 years old ng Caloocan National Science and Technology High School. Kung matatandaan niyo po, noong November 9, English-Tagalog, November 9, nang una nating makapanayam si Cyril at Aldrich. Naalala ko na. At ngayong umaga, muli natin sila makakasama live dito sa studio. Magandang umaga, Cyril at Aldrich.
Good morning po.
Kumusta? Kwentuhan niyo naman kami na experience niyo.
Umuwi po kami dito mga 12 or 13. Tapos po, we stayed there for like 5 days. Tapos po, throughout the competition, besides the competition itself na pagpipitch ng product namin, we also went to different companies like Microsoft, TikTok. And from there po, ang dami naming natutunan about founding. Tapos po, nakipag-collaborate kami with different founders itself. Tapos, yes, Aldrich?
Mike.
Ito yung mic.
We met a lot of people po na we can say na like-minded, like same interests. And from different countries din, may mga dumating from Romania, from Europe, yun po yung pinakamalayo. And then marami pong big people like siguro mga investors and founders din na mga, as in mga nagtatrabaho na sa professional field. And yun po.